going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here just tearing down the 71 Nova. Pulled off the roof skin, like you can see it, probably barely see it on the camera right now. About to finish welding up this quarter panel piece. Finish welding this up, make sure it fits with our trim, and just put you guys on the laps. Just a lot of boring work, and yeah.
So as Lalo and Rose were talking about, we're doing a bunch of welding and fixing a bunch of this, majority of this body on the vehicle, aka the Nova, aka the future tire slayer. We gotta do a whole bunch of stuff right now. As far as right now, we got a few things that we're gonna do. I'm gonna be doing the side marker delete, shaving it completely off. Lalo and Rollers are going to be taking care of the roof. But as far as right now, this is what we're going to be working on. It's just nice to hold it. Alrighty, fellas, so as you can see, I got pretty much all this just tacked up right now on both sides, this side and then this side right here. So pretty much with that, you just have to be patient with it, because if you do it all at once, what's gonna happen is it's gonna warp itself, the metal is, and it's gonna be very bad to fix that. You would have to cut it out and then redo it all over again, and something we don't do here twice. Do it one time. And, that's about it. But other than that, I'm just gonna fill in everything else again with weld and then grind it all off, which we'll show you later on. But right now, Lalo's gonna tell you what he just did.
So Robles and I just pretty much cleaned up the top here, just getting it ready for some 415. But it's all looking crispy clean. Got the, what do you call it? Quarter section here. Gonna finish it up, and we'll be cleaning it up a little bit later.
And for everybody that doesn't know, 415 is to cover up rust and to encapsulate it so it'll never come back again. And while Lalo was busy wire brushing away, I was spraying rust encapsulator inside the crevices where the 415 brushes won't be able to go in. And yeah.
Remember, always use PPE, personal protection equipment. Look at Chepo's finger. Chepo, show them your finger.
Owie.
Done fucked up.
It's all good. We're a bunch of mans around here. We don't use no PPE around here.
I got a bad feeling about this.
We have kids.
All right, so like we were saying, Robles just sprayed a little bit of the rust encapsulator in the crevices here. We're gonna be cleaning up the metal here with metal prep from 415, and then after we do that, we're gonna add some degreaser. And then finally, after we done cleaning up all the metal, we're gonna use some more of the 415 here. That's to prevent the rust so it never comes back. So we're gonna be brushing this, and that's pretty much all to it.
Clean it, prep it, coat it.
3 simple steps.
walking over here. Careful on the welder. Welding these stitch welds right quick.
Dude, this fucking, I just got punked.
And advice to everybody, please don't do that at home.
Lalo was just playing.
We just played too much.
Friendly joke.
That's how the lights come out.
Let's see if I can.
What does that say?
I don't have a S2000, I don't know those problems. You're down for the night? We ended up deleting that, as you can see, it's gone. Lalo and the new cameraman, which I'll show you, is this guy right here, and then Lalo. Decided to think that it was funny to burn my hand. No, I'm just kidding, but anyways. They ended up doing this, which is what, Joey?
We ended up painting this bad boy right here. Pour 15 anti-rust preventer. Not a commercial. All right, no, we just ended up putting some Pour 15 on this bad boy, just so I never, ever, ever, ever have to come back in here because of fucking rust. Typical practice on these classic cars.
Excuse me. So you can see all that's done. We
Right
have the
here on
roof.
these sections, we taped them off because we're gonna weld through primary, so we could weld our roof skin, which is over there, to the car itself. Got a lot done in a short period of time.
There we go. I'll show you around the car. What we got going on. Check that out. It is up on IG. There we go, there we go. What do you guys think? That's all done. We got this one done too. We just got to grind it down, smoothing it out. Roof's all done. What do you guys think?